Hello there, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome, 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 welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So this is just a super short follow-up of a video that I did of the Nature's Blessing pomade. You guys, I just wanted to follow up with you guys with where I am with the product. I think I purchased it about a month or so ago, and I have been using it routinely in my hair. So y'all, this is it. If you are seeing this for the first time, this is the Nature's Blessing pomade. And don't be fooled, this stuff, I probably have a week or so left of the product. Let me show y'all exactly what I mean. Yes, you guys, I have been on this stuff so strong, with or without braids. I have been using this product routinely. I have to be honest with you, I absolutely love it. Typically a little bit goes a long way, but I found out early on in using this product how much my scalp truly like this product. Now listen, the truth is in the pudding, you guys. Once my hair has just really grown out a little bit more than what it has, then I'll really know for sure. But from what I have seen prior to me installing these braids, I must say that I am pleasantly surprised. So where did I get this from? I purchased this online from Amazon. I am not sponsored at all. I just been wanting to try this product for quite some time, so I went on and pressed the purchase button and went on and purchased this product about a month or so ago. Y'all, this stuff smells so delicious to me. Now let me just say that, you know, the smell may not be for everyone, but to me it's just a subtle natural type smell about it. I absolutely love the scent of it. It takes a certain type of nose to really get the scent. It does not linger in my scalp, but I don't know how it may be for you. But I really like this stuff, you guys. I have still been trying to just sparingly apply it to my scalp in between these braids. But y'all, definitely worth the purchase for me thus far. I absolutely will purchase this again. It didn't even cost that much, you guys. I can't remember right off the top how much it cost. But if you're interested in all of those types of logistics and just a little bit more about this particular product, please check out the card that I have up there. And that's my initial review. And I kind of talk about just some of the logistics about the product. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.